small. Breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control.
First, download this transitions from the description link, then extract this pack. Open this extract folder, now mark all of transitions, then import into Premiere Pro. Change the icon view for previewing these transitions. Let's import some footages into timeline. I don't need this audio part, let's delete this audio track. Now choose a transition. Then drag it over the first clip. Now drag it one track above, and then move the second clip between these two clips. Let's see a quick preview. As you can see, nothing has changed. So now cut of the second clip. Then put it back in the first track. Now go to the effects panel, then search for track matte key effect. Apply this effect that we cut of the second clip. Go to the effect controls panel. Here we have to select the matte transition layer, and here we are using layer 3, which is our transition layer. Composite using select matte luma. Our transition's ready, let's preview this. All transitions are same process to use, let's check another one. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one, have a good day.